work is so multivalent and interdisciplinary, which it connects ideas as large as the origin of knowledge, the trajectory of human relationship to the natural world. But for the moment, I want to focus on a particular aspect of your work, which is the idea of waste. Could you talk about the concept of waste as it applies to the process?
I think that in the notion of waste, you find the glue that bonds a lot of the concerns of mine together. So, on one hand, probably most obviously the archaeological pursuits, and when I am doing archaeology, normally I'm not tomb raiding the home of kings, but rather I'm dealing with the archaeology of the everyday, and I'm working a lot with things that are intentionally discarded, or things that are forgotten, but most often with waste products, with the remains of everyday life of everyday people. On the other hand, of course, a lot of my work focuses on conservation, wildlife conservation, and wildlife conservation, and so waste is something that's constantly a threat to those locations, something that is continually making itself known in presence and having a presence in places as well as the Komodo Islands or tropical forests I've traveled to. And on the other hand, of course, I'm always dealing with actually the relationship of the natural to the cultural world, and how these categories are remarkably impure. It really makes very little sense to talk about these things as at different conceptual ends of the spectrum, and rather that they are tangled together.